Okay, so I've got a couple of questions here. First one, do students really care about being corrected? My experience of speaking to students over the 20 odd years that I've been teaching is that yes, they do really care about being corrected. You often get students on a sliding scale. So you'll get the ones who are like, super bothered about all the mistakes. And then you'll get the ones who are maybe a bit less bothered about making mistakes. But I definitely believe that your learners do really care about being accurate and being understood outside the classroom into the real world. If teachers try to correct every error students make, I don't think a student would get to the end of a sentence. So no, I don't think a teacher should correct every error that a student makes. A teacher should be able to distinguish the difference between maybe a slip because they're tired versus a more serious error, and then only correct the errors that the student really needs in order to be understood. So it's definitely not important for teachers to correct every single mistake that the learners make.